In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Slack to n8n automation that triggers and replies automatically. We'll set up a simple, reliable workflow in n8n that listens to activity in Slack and, if you want, responds right back. This is perfect for monitoring channels, acknowledging mentions, or starting bigger automations with zero code. Start by opening n8n and creating a new workflow. Give it a clear name so you recognize it later, and remember to save as you go. You'll see an empty canvas where we'll add nodes. Click the plus button and search for Slack trigger. This node is what wakes your workflow when something happens in Slack. Choose the event that fits your use case. New message posted is great for watching everything in a channel. Mention in channel fires only when someone tags your handle, which helps reduce noise. Reaction. Added is handy when emoji reactions should kick off a process. You can adjust these later if your needs change. Next, connect your Slack account. Click Create New Credential. A secure window opens to Slack where you pick the workspace and click Allow. If your team requires approvals, you might need an admin to grant access. Once you return to n8n, select the specific channel you want to monitor and save. If the channel is private, make sure the Slack app has access to it. If you want the workflow to talk back to Slack, add another node by clicking the plus and selecting Slack again, this time as an action. Choose what it should do, such as send message, reply to thread, or post to channel. Connect this action to your trigger. In the message field, map data from the trigger, like the incoming text or username, so your reply references the original message. For threaded replies, be sure to map the thread or message ID from the trigger into the thread field. Let's test it. Click Execute Workflow in n8n, then send a quick test message in the selected Slack channel. If the trigger lights up and you see the run data, your connection is working. If nothing happens, double-check the selected event, credentials, and channel. When you're satisfied, click Activate so it runs automatically in the background. You've just built a Slack, n8n, Slack automation. From here, you can auto-reply with AI, send alerts, forward messages, or trigger larger workflows, all without writing code.